Hi guys, in today's video mom is gonna share with you all how to make her fried rice. Now you may think that it's the same, but when she makes it, it tastes so different. So if you guys would like to see how she makes her rice, keep watching.
So to make this recipe, she already started to boil the rice with some noodles. Now when you're boiling the rice in salted water, let the rice cook halfway, then add the noodles. So by the time the rice is finished cooked, the noodles will be properly cooked. If you put it in too soon, the noodles is going to get soggy. So drain that and let it cool down.
Okay, so go ahead mom, start. Okay, so mom is starting with adding some oil, and she's a left-hander, so excuse her if she blocks the camera at times. Okay, so once the oil starts to heat up, she's gonna add in onions first. Okay, mom feeling shy talk, so you just want to let the onions cook until they have like a light brown color. Okay, now she's adding in some ginger and garlic. And you're gonna cook the ginger and the garlic until it's fragrant, and you don't want the garlic to burn. Okay, in goes pimento peppers. I'm gonna throw in the carrots for her. Oops. Okay, so we add the carrots and the pimento first before the other veggies, because the carrots take a longer time to cook. So you just want to mix that in and allow it to saute for about a minute. Okay, so now for the sweet pepper. What's your next? Okay. Okay, so now we're going in with some frozen vegetables. You can use peas and carrots, or you can use mixed vegetables. And she says don't wash it, because if you wash it, it's going to get really soggy, so you don't want to do that. And just crank the heat up to like a medium, so that you could, whatever liquid comes out of that, it dries up really quickly. Alright, so after that, cooks up for about 2 minutes. Okay, we're gonna get the rice.
No, not between that and the last.
Okay, so we're gonna go in with Chinese seasoning.
Yeah.
So this is mom's, just now mom, I'm gonna show them. This is mom's favorite Chinese seasoning when making fried rice, and it's only available from Trinidad. You can put as much or as little as you want, and I do have a Chinese spice recipe on the channel. This is a Chinese spice that comes from Guyana. It's chive Chinese spice. And then we're going to go in with some 5 spice powder and a little bit, because it's a very potent spice. Next goes in some dark sesame. Goes in some dark soy sauce. So she wants extra. Right. Continue to mix. Okay, so she's using 2 spoons to help her, because it's a big pot of rice. Let me help her hold the pot so it doesn't move. Alright, so just drop the heat to low so that this could take its time and fry up. I will link my Chinese spice recipe down below in the description box for you all. Okay, now we're gonna go in with sesame oil. Mix that in. Now I would make this same recipe and it will never taste the same. So you know, sometimes people would say that it's just the hand that cooking it. Well, when mom cook fried rice, it tastes different from when I cook fried rice. And I'm sure a lot of you all could relate to that.
washing your hands, but I can't.
Okay, so she's adding in some extra salt. Although we boil the rice with salt, it still needs some additional salt. So she's adding that in. You guys put salt according to how much you eat or how much you have in your diet. Now goes in some chopped celery and chive
And everything with some black pepper.
and some black pepper. So I'll put that on top of her. And let me just hold the pot. You want to mix it in really well so that salt distributes evenly. So when mom makes fried rice, she lets it cook low and slow, and she just keeps turning it. When we make fried rice, we make it really quick, so that's one of the differences.
And this rice is well.
And when she puts onion in there, because she cooks it down properly, the rice will not spoil. So once you cook the onion properly, your rice will not spoil. And make sure you allow the rice to cool down before you cover it. And we're almost done. Okay guys, the rice is finished. It tastes amazing. Make sure and taste and adjust your salt, and all we have to do is serve. So I hope you guys enjoyed mom's rice recipe. Sometimes she does put mushrooms in this when she's frying up the vegetables, so you all can try some sliced mushrooms, buttons or portobello. And that's it. So comment down below, let us know what you think. Thank you all so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.